have a question for you. Are you appreciating the life you're living right now? You perhaps say, hell no. If you are in the downswing or in a very difficult tribe, today is Sunday, and Sunday is the time to create the life you want to live. You're like, what are you talking about? Every single day is the time to create the life you want to live. But that is not the point. I am here to talk to you. I'm here to talk to you about me, myself. Sometimes I forget to appreciate the life I am living right now. You know, like yesterday or the day before, I was thinking to myself, like my room started to get smaller and smaller and smaller because I have a lot of yarn, and I dream, I wish that I have a bigger space so I can have a table to film. Now I film on the ground, and I just want more space. But you know, I forget to appreciate what I am, what I experiencing right now, because I don't know, if I have a bigger space, it's gonna fill with yarn and lots of things, and perhaps I'm just gonna sit on the ground and film from the ground again, because it's how I like to do the work. But the mind just wants more and more and more and more. So I just want to remind you that sometimes we don't even need more. We just need to learn to see what we already have and appreciate what we already have. So my beautiful friends, I have a question for you. Are you appreciating the life you're living right now? You perhaps say, hell no. If you are in the downswing or in a very difficulty in life right now, how could you appreciate the life you are in it right now? Because it's so damn difficult. But you know what? Let me tell you something. Out of my own experience, there will be no change in life if there is no difficulty to go through. And this keeps me going every single day. Like every time I come to the point that like, oh, it's so hard. How could I go through this? And then I tell myself there must be something. There is something I need to change, or something I have to look through it. What can I learn from it? Instead of like, why this happened to me? Oh no, why me? Why me? I change the question. You know, the question is so important. It's the way how you see things in your life. In like you change the question, you change perspective, how you see your own life. Instead of why me, you say, how can I learn from this? Because now you change. How can you learn from it? You give yourself the opportunity to see what you can do, what you can learn from this difficulty. Can you see the difference right now? That the whole point and the whole story, it shifts because you give yourself the opportunity to see, and you give yourself the opportunity to create, actually, when you ask yourself this question. Well, I know everyone is different. This is just my way of seeing things, and it's your own choice, my friends. You can stay here and beat yourself up and, you know, just complain, or stand up right now and see what you can do now. See what you have in your hand. What is the tools you have? And maybe you have a hook and yarn and then you can just start to crochet with me. You know, there's so much you can do, so much. Yeah, so many things in life that's so interesting, and life is like a big university. There's so much more for us to learn. And talking about crochet, I actually just posted this new sunny high-waist short pants that I finished it today. It's the second one though, because the first one is nice, but I wanted to change something to fit me better. And also when I write a pattern, I have to make sure that I have a right recipe so people who read my pattern know how to make it and come out very nice. So I just put it on our group, Crochet Tribe, Maya Luna Corazon. And if you want to get a chance to be one of the testers this time, you can join our group. Then you just have to answer 3 questions in the group, and then you get in there, and then you can apply to be the tester. And if you watched it on Facebook, you already can just join us by click the link in the description box below. I'm looking forward to connect with you there and to grow with you more and more. By the way, I'm wearing this beautiful foxy leg top. Do you remember this halter top? I actually posted this video tutorial in 2016. This is like my 3rd video on YouTube. Alright, so go out there, my beauty, and start the first step toward your dream. I see you later. Mwah.